Alright guys, we're here with Ray and Alex. They're trying to put together, what we're calling this again?
Steadicam.
Our makeshift Steadicam, which we learned from YouTube how to make.
Shout out to filmmakers.
Yeah, we're a bunch of independent filmmakers trying to get this movie called SEKI, Crazy Samoan Love Story. We want to get it released by December 13th. And we need a lot of moving shots. This is gonna.
You don't want to like this. No.
Yeah.
Actually, you can
Just
here. How about that? Hold it right here.
So what we did was we broke apart. Well, we took apart one of our tripods, and we're now testing to move it around.
Okay. And then extend the length up, and then throw the weights on.
All right, we're working on our the navigator. We're gonna call it the navigator. It's an idea we took from online on YouTube. We have Ray and Alex working on this project. So it's very important because we need a lot of roaming shots or a lot of moving shots within our movie, because our movie has got a lot of action going on. It's slapstick comedy in the S.A.O studio, so we're testing this out. Wow, man, you guys gonna waste all that tape just for that?
No, man. Unless you got like some stockings. What do you have?
Well, just leave it there. Somebody hold it on there and the other guy move it. Yeah. Yeah, we're trying all kinds of methods. A lot of ideas going around here.
Okay. No, well, here. This is newer. Feels good?
But we need like the camera to be sure somewhere.
Well, we don't have the mount, but that's good enough. We got where we wanted to be, right?
It's pretty good wood.
Yeah. Good. What are we calling it?
Navigator stabilizer.
The navigator, huh?
One man Steadicam.
Poor man Steadicam. Okay, he's gonna go out there and try it. I can't move out because I'm connected to the power source, but we'll come back to you. Navigator Island Pictures right here, making things happen and getting the biggest bang for your buck. All right.